Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the comment section how your day is going. Mine is doing fantastic. If you are wondering what is on my face at the end of the video, I would tell you what eyeshadow palettes that I am wearing and what I think about them. But you read from the title, I got, turn that around, I got the May 2019 Glossybox. Now, this is a $21 a month subscription. This is more like a skincare box, and you might get one, and if you're lucky, maybe two makeup products. Last month was a whole bunch of samples. Now, before that, I really enjoyed the boxes that I've got. I think this is maybe my fourth or fifth box that I have received from Glossybox. I do have a link. I'll leave it down below. If you want to sign up, it will save you 20%. So check it out. But I don't know. Let's just see what this box is. The only thing is I don't like to get samples when you pay $21 for a subscription box. But I have no idea what's in here. So let's open her up and see. All right, I just got this, so I didn't, usually I'm prepared and I open these up already because I don't edit my videos. So, all right, so that's what it looks like. It is a pink box. Occasionally you'll get like a different type of box, or if it's a special thing, you'll get a box, but it typically comes in these pink boxes, and they're very pretty and sturdy cardboard, and I definitely keep them, and I love the design of it. And then it comes like this. It's always packaged very, very pretty. All right, so you always get this little like pamphlet which tells you what you've got. You open it up and it tells you everything you got in here, and then it gives you prices, and it looks like this with a little sticker. All right, so that's what it looks like. All right, so let's see. The first thing that I see, it says Daily Body Scrubber, and I do definitely like these. It says Daily Concepts, Individuals Who Think in the Shower. So we have that. All right, let's see how much that is. All right, so this is $10, and it just says perfect for buffing away dead skin cells with this texture. This scrubber has a soy-based foam material inside to create a rich lather. Oh, okay, so it already has stuff in there. You just wet it. Allergy and dermatologist tested. So that's good. All right, well, I definitely like that. I don't know if I paid $10, but I'm glad it came in here to try. The next thing we got are 2 splice sheet masks, and what these is, it's not like one sheet mask. They're like different ones. Oh my god, there's a few in here, and then you would just put it in your troublesome spot. So I get what is wrong with me? I got watermelon and cucumber. And this month, a lot of subscriptions are like fruit themed. Also, a lot of makeup too, I noticed, is becoming like fruit themed. So, all right, let's just see what that says. So, full size 2 sheets valued at $10. So, I'm surmising they're $5 a piece. All right, I like that. All right, the next thing we got is from Orenza. I don't know how to pronounce this. Dewy Glow Balm for skin, lips, and nails. Right there. All right, so this is full size. Oh my god. So this is $16. It says cruelty free. This all-purpose skin and lip balm will protect your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays while it moisturizes and soothes for an all-over dewy effect, and it's perfect for even the most sensitive skin. All right, so I definitely like that. My lips are always dry, so I like that. And I like putting stuff like this like on my elbows and stuff. All right, but this is awful small for $16, but I don't know. I haven't tried it, so maybe it works wonders. All right, then we have this Back into the Roots. What is this? Grow Gorgeous. Let's see. Let's read up about that. I don't know what this is. Where you be? All right, so it's Grow Gorgeous. This is it says Grow Gorgeous Back in the Woods. This is full size. It's $28. It says give your hair a boost with this luxurious scalp mask with a healthy combination of burdock root, hyaluronic acid, vitamins, and caffeine. This mask will give you your hair the extra moisture and volumes it craves. All right, well, that's good because as I'm getting older, for some reason, like right here on my knuckle, I'm starting to get like eczema or psoriasis or something. I went to the dermatologist and they gave me like a gel to put on. And I noticed also because I was starting to get like dandruff and I'm like, what is going on? And my scalp is getting very dry. So I'm definitely excited to try this. All right, and two more things, and these are definitely samples, I think. Let's see. This is from Pure Lease, right there. What is this? Would you be? All right, so this is a Pure Lease Watermelon Energized and Aqua Balm. This is not full size because full size would be $45, and I definitely, full size is 1.7 ounces. What is this? I can't even see it, so damn small. What in the world? Do I have my little... Let me get my little magnifying glass out. Let's see if I can read it. What does this say? I can't even read this with the magnifying glass. 0.34 ounces, so it's definitely not full size. All right, let's see what it says. It says it's a lightweight, oil-free gel cream filled with vitamins A, B, and C. This Aqua Balm keeps skin energized and hydrated for oily combo, normal, sensitive, and dull skin types. So we got two of almost like the same thing. I don't know how I feel about that. I just don't know. So is this full size? Maybe this isn't full size. Let's see. Full size is 8 ounces, so this can't be full size either. Is it? Full size is $28. Let's see if I can read this. How many ounces you be? No, this is 2 ounces. So this is not full size. I apologize for that. All right, so the next thing we got is this Pure Lease Coconut Oil Coffee Sugar Body Scrub right there. And this is definitely not filled to the top. And I don't even think it's enough for your whole body, not even a one-time use. So let's see what this is. So full size would be 6 ounces and would be $24. It says coffee and coconut oil. Who doesn't love that combo? As the coconut oil softens and moistures your skin, coffee kicks into high gear to reduce the appearance of cellulite. Enjoy this fresh pick-me-up the day to start your day. All right, so I got something like this from Ofer. It was a coffee scrub, and I really did enjoy it. So I might be able to try this on my arms or my legs and see. But this is what I mean. Why such, I hate when they do small samples. Like this is a sample, but it's definitely enough to try this a few times, you know? This right here, this is enough to try, you know? I mean, what are you going to do with this? For $21, I just think you should get full-size products. I don't know. I'm really on the fence with this. So this is the second month. I'm not that impressed. I mean, it's an okay box. I'm not like really pissed off, but it's not my favorite. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I do have one more month. I did get another 3-month subscription. So help me out. Let me know what you think. I did pay for one more month, so next month will definitely be like, do I keep it or do I let it go? And if it's another bad box, I might just go ahead and let it go because I'd rather take my $21 and put it somewhere else. So I don't know, you guys. Let me know what you think of this box, you know? I mean, my favorite thing is probably these masks, you know? And, well, maybe the scrubber. I don't know. It's just, to me, $21. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. All right, so if you're still here and you want to, what is on my eyes and I'm dropping everything? These two puppies are on my eyes. So I knew I was going to wear this shirt, so I wanted to do like a green look. And I just got this. I made a Beautylish order, and I picked this up, and I had got this as well. And not from Beautylish, but I never tried them, so I wanted to try them. All right, so this is what this looks like. This is the Tribe one. I mean, look at the colors are gorgeous. So pretty. So I use this color right here as like a transition shade. Then I went a little bit deeper, and then I definitely put this on the outside of my eyes, and I put this as a base shade for my shimmer. Okay. And then with the Alien palette, I use this as well, and then I put this on top of that dark shimmer. I put that on top right there, and that's how I made this look. And then I went in with the brown in this shade and kind of like tried to deepen it up. But the problem that I have with this palette, the brown isn't that deep. I like a really dark brown. So, but if I had to pick which palette I like better, it's the Alien palette by Jeffree Star. This one, to me, I love Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes. I really, really do. But this is probably my least favorite. It was a lot, it just didn't blend as good. Maybe it was the colors that I used. I haven't used every single color in here, but I wasn't that impressed like a normal Juvia's palette. I mean, this is okay, but it's not as good as the other ones, in my opinion. This here I only used a couple shades, and so far it was okay, you know. 50-something dollars. Like, when I looked at this palette, I was like, you know, you have all these shades. It's nothing like different, like out of the world. I mean, the formula is good, but is it something that you have to go out and get? No. And I don't like the packaging too well. Like, it's very flimsy for how much you pay. So that is my little review, what I think of these so far. It's only my first time using these palettes, so I don't really have that much thought. I'll use them a little bit more and then do like a real review at the end of my videos. So yeah, that's everything, guys. Let me know how your day is going. Let me know all the tea, what you think of Glossybox. I'm a little disappointed. My other, like, except for last month, the other ones were really good. I have heard Glossybox does have its hits and misses, but I don't know. We will have one more month. Let me know everything. All right, and let me know if you guys are into green eyeshadow, and if you are, what palette do you like for a green eye look? I am definitely looking for some more. I love the green looks nowadays. All right, that's everything, guys. Please like this video. It really helps me out. Make sure you stay subscribed because we have a giveaway going on in a few days. And yeah, that's everything. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next... I'm not even done yet. Oh, my God. I will see you in my next giveaway. Bye, guys.